How to remove object from video. So welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove object from video. If you regularly use this CapCut as your video editor, you can remove object from video. Just do these simple steps. So let's start by open the one of your project. This is from library. You can search on the library. So tap on your video and then tap on duplicate here, and then tap on your first video, make overlay. So on the overlay video, the second video here, try to search the mask. This one, the mask, a tap rectangle. So try to make a mask in the blank space. This one, try to adjust the size of your blank space, this one for example, and then done. So try to cover the board with the mask. You can adjust the size, and done. Now the board is completely gone, or you can remove the object here. See? So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.